Anmika, will you tell me the cap seller and the monkey story?
Yes.
Okay, tell.
On a sunny day, the cap seller was wearing the colorful cap. Cap, cap, cap. Green color cap, pink color cap, yellow color cap. After a while, he got tired and decided to take rest. He sat under a big tree and so he fell asleep. There were monkeys on the tree. They came down to pull the caps from the cap seller's back. Then they both danced timing on the tree. Cap seller wake up, he was shocked. To his back, empty. He searched for his cap everywhere. To his surprise, he saw the monkeys running down and imitating his every action. He got an idea. Throw his cap down. Monkeys also did so, collecting all the caps. He went away happily. Moral of the story: clever thinking